Hello, welcome to Mega Kit. I hope you are enjoying our channel Mega Kit. It is informative, educational as well as entertaining. Today we are going to see one of our mini project street light controller MK-059. It is an useful device for street light, garden light, society lights, etc. The street light controller switches on the light as soon as the sun sets and there is a dark, and switches off the light as soon as the sun rises. Now let us see the circuit diagram. T5 is a phototransistor. TIL81 is used to sense the light intensity. Transistor is NPN type. When the positive probe of the multimeter is connected to the positive and negative probe to the negative, the transistor shows the variation in the resistance around 200K in dark and 20K in sunlight. The positive, that is the collector, is connected to supply through R2 and preset P1. T1 and T2 BC557 transistors NPN type form the Schmitt trigger so that whenever the input level is above the reference level fed by R4 and R5 at the base of the transistor, T2 fixed at 2/3 VCC, that means 4.5 volt, output of the Schmitt trigger will be high. T3 and T4 BC547 NPN transistors act as an amplifier in emitter follower mode. The transistor T4 drives the relay RL1. Normally in sunlight the signal level is low. As the light intensity goes on decreasing in dark, the base voltage of the T1 will go on increasing. As soon as it crosses the reference voltage, output of the Schmitt trigger will toggle and the relay will be on. The potential free contacts of the relay are used to control the street light. Now let us see the part list, the parts required for this particular kit. Now let us see the parts required for this particular kit. Now let us see the parts required for this particular kit. This is the PCB required for this kit. The ident properly marked on the PCB. This is the track side and this is the component side. Now let us see. This is BC557, this is BC547, this is the 12 volt relay, this is the preset 1 meg, this is the phototransistor TIL081, this is LED, this is rectifier diode 4007, this is Zener diode, this is resistor 1K, this is resistor 4K7, this is resistor 27K, this is resistor 100K, and this is resistor 220K. This is the parts required for this particular kit. Now let us see the live demo of the project. See, I am making the darkness for the photo sensor and the light will be on. As soon as the sun rises, the light will be off. When there is a dark sunset, light will be on. Hi, I am Hemant Parab from the Mega Kit, your single point source for all your needs of electronic project kits. For the further details, please contact Dolphin Electronics, C2, 2nd floor, Sri Ganesh Building, Gavane Vasti, Bhofri, Pune. My email ID is dolphinproxy@gmail.com. My WhatsApp number is 92255 01142. Do like, share and subscribe my channel Mega Kit. Thank you.